Let's design DIY branded tees using Canva and Cricut. Simple, really chic, aesthetic tees, perfect for any brand. From your favorite serial creator, IamChelsee, we are back with another DIY tutorial. So this is Healthier Her, which is a woman and teen healthcare brand. I designed the website as well as the brand identity. So from the logo suite to aligning the color palettes and just bringing the visuals to life. I am a huge advocate for merch and apparel, especially aesthetic, simple branded tees. So for the Healthier Her Society, I want to make a simple tee that has a quote or tagline that resonates with the brand. So she's healthier, she's her. I'm making this in Canva, so you go ahead and start with a new project, and you can go ahead and start with the exact apparel that you're going to create or design. So the new project I started was a t-shirt design. I'm adding the fonts, or I'm adding my quote, and essentially I'm going to save this as a transparent PNG file. So opening up Cricut, you're going to start a new project and choose blank canvas. Then you'll choose upload on the left and go ahead and upload the transparent image that you just saved. I don't like to use print and cut. I like to just go straight to the cut, a single layer image. So that's why I save mine as a transparent PNG. So you can see here I uploaded and I'm applying, and where you see single layer is just where it's going to all be a cut design. I do this pretty much any and every time. I've never used print then cut. But I'm uploading it here and I'm going to resize it to the size that I want on the shirt. So that's usually anywhere from 8 inches to 10, but just make sure you get a good proportion of where you want the design to be. Then you're going to upload it, add it to your Cricut Maker, change the toggle, and then go ahead and click cut.